So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is going to be doing for us for the day. But first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Like we said previously, I told you guys that market is ranging, especially when you go to your daily time frame, right? You can see that our GBP USD is literally on a ranging market move. This is the main trend. So this market was able to tap our resistance. Then rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap out the support. Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Market eventually rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap the support, right? Market eventually rejected from the support and it has now pushed on to tap the resistance level. Now, market is at this resistance level and we will be expecting to reject from this resistance level and drop to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. This is a multiple rejection zone, right? Market has given us a multiple rejection at this level, which means market to drop to form a low. Here comes the lower high. Now market has now dropped again to form a new low. This is the lower high playing out right here. So a lower high is currently playing out. Once this lower high plays out finish, guess what market will do, guys? Market will definitely drop again to form a new low. So guys, be anticipating for a sell. Anytime soon, a sell will likely play out on our GBP USD that will eventually take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low for us for the day. So a bearish move is still what you should be looking out for. So all what you just be watching out for is a sell setup. Once you get to the sell setup, then you can go ahead and take the sell. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.